We've all heard it before, carrots are good for your eyes. This age-old adage, passed down through generations, has cemented the carrot's place as a nutritional hero. But what if this seemingly harmless root vegetable held a darker side? Recent studies have begun to peel back the layers of this common food, revealing some surprising truths about its potential downsides. While carrots offer some nutritional benefits, it's crucial to understand the potential risks associated with excessive consumption. The truth is, overconsumption of anything, even something as seemingly benign as carrots, can lead to adverse effects. In the case of carrots, the very nutrients that give them their vibrant orange hue can become problematic in large quantities. It's time to move beyond the simplistic narrative of carrots are good, and delve into the complexities of this popular vegetable. Our journey into the hidden world of carrots begins with a closer look at vitamin A. This essential nutrient, often touted for its role in vision health, can reach toxic levels with chronic overconsumption. While a healthy diet should include a variety of fruits and vegetables, understanding the potential risks of overconsumption is crucial for making informed choices about our dietary intake. This exploration is not meant to demonize carrots but rather to empower readers with the knowledge to make balanced and healthy choices. Let's take a closer look at the science behind these claims and uncover the truth about carrots. Carrots are naturally rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. While vitamin A is essential for good vision, healthy skin, and a robust immune system, too much of it can lead to a condition called hypervitaminosis A. This occurs when the body stores excessive amounts of vitamin A, leading to a range of symptoms from nausea and dizziness, to liver damage and even birth defects in pregnant women. A 2019 study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that individuals who regularly consumed high amounts of carrots and other vitamin A-rich foods had a significantly higher risk of developing hypervitaminosis A. The study, conducted by researchers at Harvard Medical School, followed over 10,000 participants for a period of 10 years. The World Health Organization has also issued warnings about the potential dangers of excessive vitamin A intake, particularly from supplements. While carrots alone are unlikely to cause severe toxicity in most individuals, it's important to be mindful of overall vitamin A intake from all dietary sources, including fortified foods and supplements. Remember, balance is key. Enjoying carrots as part of a varied and balanced diet is unlikely to pose any significant health risks. However, understanding the potential downsides of overconsumption allows us to make informed choices about our dietary habits. Beyond the issue of vitamin A, conventionally grown carrots often harbor a cocktail of harmful pesticides. These chemicals, designed to protect crops from pests, can linger on produce even after washing and peeling. Exposure to these toxins has been linked to a range of health problems, including hormonal imbalances, neurological disorders, and even certain types of cancer. A 2021 report by the European Food Safety Authority revealed that carrots were among the top 5 fruits and vegetables with the highest pesticide residues. The report analyzed over 85,000 food samples from across the European Union, highlighting the pervasive nature of pesticide contamination in our food supply. These chemicals can accumulate in the body over time, leading to long-term health consequences. Children are particularly vulnerable to the adverse effects of pesticide exposure due to their developing organs and smaller body mass. Choosing organic carrots whenever possible can significantly reduce your exposure to these harmful substances. While often perceived as a health food, carrots contain a surprising amount of sugar. 1 cup of raw carrots contains approximately 8 grams of sugar, primarily in the form of sucrose and glucose. While this is less sugar than what you would find in a can of soda or a candy bar, it's still enough to impact blood sugar levels, especially when consumed in excess. For individuals with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes when it comes to carrots. Consuming large amounts of carrots in one sitting can lead to spikes in blood sugar and insulin resistance over time. The key is to enjoy carrots in moderation, and to pair them with other foods that help to regulate blood sugar levels, such as protein and healthy fats. Adding a handful of nuts or seeds to your carrot sticks, or enjoying them with a serving of hummus, can help to slow down sugar absorption and prevent blood sugar spikes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.